Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure your Chromebook is charged and up to date, because updates prevent connection issues. Next, open the system tray and turn on Wi-Fi. You need to scan the list for the Piso SSID. If you have a voucher code or password, have it ready. Once you see the Piso network, click it to begin. This first action triggers any captive portal or login flow the hotspot uses, so be ready to enter credentials immediately. Once connected to the Piso SSID, your Chromebook often opens a captive portal automatically. If it does not, open Chrome and try browsing to force it. You enter the voucher code, phone number, or use the pay option shown by the hotspot. This is how Piso authorizes access. Make sure to accept any terms of service and choose the session length if prompted. After submission, watch for a confirmation message. This step completes authentication. To finish, confirm internet access by loading a basic website. If pages fail, recheck the voucher or payment confirmation. If you still have no connection, forget the Piso network in Wi-Fi settings and reconnect, or restart your Chromebook to renew network services. Make sure any VPN is disabled because it can block captive portals. Clearing Chrome cache or using an incognito window often forces the login page to appear. If all else fails, try another device to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.